Alright guys, so now that we're home, we bought all the groceries and now it's time to put them away, okay?
Shy, you're shy.
I'm shy?
I can tell you're being shy.
Yes. Yo, what's up? Sorry, there's 2 more people in this kitchen. We just finishing buying the groceries. Jason, you can pick your head, your shoulders in the way. So you want to? Yeah, this is my brother, Mr. Jason Ewan. Right now, video. All right.
Yeah, I'm living this life with a different attitude. Don't flip, don't trip, keeping up the good mood. Cooking up some good food with my friends in the street. Yeah, people wanna chill, they can come and speak to me. Cause all you gotta do is just ask. Cause we can always get another glass. Got drip, got swag, got class. Just roll another one, then puff, puff, pass. Pop the trunk, hit the brakes, stop the gas. When I'm sitting with my friends, it's all smiles and laughs. And I'm thinking that I'm drunk, hit the bathroom mirror just to get a clearer vision. I'm a man on a mission. There's a girl outside with a name like the sea. It's just how she is, yeah, it's just how she be. Got a bowl full of drinks and a bowl full of weed. Topped up on vibes, yeah, it's lovely to see, yeah. She's the best dancer at the party, looking for an after party. Even though we just started trying to shoot like James Harden. Everybody dancing in the garden, make it feel like time style. Got the perfect backdrop, yeah. She's the best dancer at the party, looking for an after party. Even though we just started trying to shoot like James Harden. Everybody dancing in the garden, make it feel like time style. Got the perfect backdrop, yeah.
Also, just look at Kybrook. It literally looks like a little fluffball, and then Stormy is just like literally hiding like in the corner. Also, please excuse the fact that I look like a freaking rat right now. No one looks cute every single day, okay?
Cause all you gotta do is just ask. Cause we can always get another glass. Got drip, got swag, got class. Just roll another one, then puff, puff, pass. Cause these times won't last, so don't let them.
So it's currently 1:03 right now. Tattoo is at 2:30, so I'm just like obviously preparing to get my tattoo done. I've already taken a shower and this is what I'm wearing, and you're probably like, that's not very cute, but hey, I want to be as comfortable as I can in that tattoo shirt. Cuteness is not a priority right now, my comfort. So I'm just gonna bring obviously some water. I had a well-rested sleep last night, so I should be well-rested. I don't know about well-rested because I'm so muggy when I wake up in the morning, but I did have decent sleep. I've done a tattoo before, but I don't know why I'm like so nervous right now. I don't know. Why am I being such a baby? Just bring my boyfriend's iPad so I can basically watch something to, I don't know, distract myself from the fucking pain. I can't handle pain well, yet here I am wanting a tattoo. I just go to envision like how happy I'll be like afterwards and just like push through. I'm gonna ask if I can film, so hopefully I can. If I can't, I'm sorry, it's not my fault. I'm also gonna be bringing a jumper as well because I get cold really easily. And the last time that I went there, I was actually really cold, and then the tattoo artist started giving me a blanket. I have no idea why I'm so nervous. It's like so silly, like, you know? What I get, did you ask? I got a large barbecue cheeseburger meal. I don't be eating too much because, I don't know, I'm scared. Oh, how good this chip is. My drink, usually I get a Coke, but I got vanilla shake. And my barbecue cheeseburger. I feel like those TikTok reviewers, they're not like stale chips or like so they don't taste good, nice and salted. So 8 out of 10. Barbecue cheeseburger. It's not falling apart, so it looks good. Nice and hot, nice and crispy. Why do I feel like a TikTok reviewer? I feel like I'm one of those people who like rate food on TikTok, and I would not be good at it. It's like it's round, you do. It's round. It's nice and hot. There's meat in it. Cheese is nicely melted. First bite. Oh. Bottom up. What's that? I'm literally sitting at a gas station, eating by myself, talking to the camera. Life in your 20s is weird.
It's just funny. Whenever I'm loving myself, you feel worse and it don't make sense. So maybe just stick to your timeline. Jealousy makes any time fly. No, it's not the same. I never get enough. From you, call me up, complain. You never feel enough.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Writing all my dreams, killing all fears. Shooting for the stars or the moon.
Sushi time! Look how nice the clouds look. Whoa.
Teriyaki chicken. Add mayo.
Oh yeah, add mayo. What are you gonna get? Unagi.
Say what? This is speaking to me.
Damn.
Mayo.
Ooh. That looks so good.
Yeah, that's good. Delish. Okay, you want that? Oh, right. Cậu yêu chắc tình nhỉ?
This is my kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen. It's got tags on it though, but oh, I want one of these. One of these. Oh, my technique. This is this coffee table. It's only $400. They have a TV. Look inside. Ah, oh, cool. Whoa, cop. How much? Oh, can we get that?
Yeah.
Can you write that down? That's a nice lamp. It's fake. How nice would we have a nice table like this, no?
Oh, perfect for our dining room.
I think our dining room's too small. I feel like I'm stalking you right now. Oh, how nice this mirror is. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? Oh, I like this coffee table. It's $400 though. Ooh. No, it's called Zoo though.
It's just nice to have options.
Yeah.
It's a pretty nice coffee table.
Yeah, you can play Monopoly, you can play Uno.
Yeah. This table has an air purifier.
Whoa.
What the fuck?
Cleaner air at the push of a button. So I brought 3 new pot plants and I'm just trying to find like a nice display for the house. So I'm thinking something like this would make the room extra dynamic. I'm gonna put it like in front of my mirror. Black isn't really my aesthetic though. I like white, so I'm gonna be grabbing like a nice white one. Self-watering plant? That's cool. Gonna get one of these. This one's really cute. No way, there's a freaking green one. This one's already open. I'm kind of weird. I don't like grabbing ones that are already opened. I don't know which one I want in which. I'm so excited. I've been putting this off for so long because I've been working. Sorry, my boyfriend's cooking din dins. I've been putting this off for so long because like I've been like working so much. Like, I have like multiple safety knives, but I'm just so lazy to go and grab it that I'm just gonna wreck my nails to open this box. And then it's not too hard to assemble together, but then again, like IKEA instructions, maybe it's just my brain, but I can't. You don't know how to put shit together from IKEA, okay? But like, how hard could it possibly be? Can you tell that I'm impatient? There's so many screws.